Good morning. I am 4 minutes earlier today. As always, if you're watching in recording, you're welcome to fast forward or stay with us through our hellos. Good morning, Joey. Good morning, Gina. Yes, thank you. I am feeling much better today. We are on Long Island with some girlfriends celebrating our friend's birthday, and the weather is just so beautiful. It's like in the 60s, really nice. Good morning, Judy. Good morning, Ari. All right, it is time for us to start. And today is the last day of our chakra balancing series. And I'd like to end it with a powerful practice called white light meditation. This is a healing technique designed to engage all the chakras and activate our innate healing network. So take a comfortable position, and as always, take a few moments to settle in. Let your breath be easy. Don't try to control it. Just allow it to flow through your body. Notice how your body responds to each inhale and each exhale. Close your eyes and visualize a stream of vibrant white light flowing infinitely down from the source and in through the top of your head. Feel this light wash over you as a purifying waterfall, cleansing you of all past worries, fears, and anxieties. As the white light flows through you, allow yourself to access unconditional love, joy, well-being, and vitality. The white light shines vibrant as all the jewels and gems in the world, and reflects all the colors of the rainbow throughout your body. Feel each color striking each individual cell of your body with radiating love and nourishment. Repeat after me. I am healing. Breathe the stream of white light in through your head. Let it flow through your body, enriching, nourishing you. Breathe the light deeper and deeper through your whole body and down through your feet, through the soles of your feet and into the earth, creating an immeasurable corridor of light from the source through your entire being and deep into the core of the earth. Feel that now you are becoming the white light itself, sending healing energy out to all of humanity. The healing light resides within you and circulates through your being, cleansing it of any obscurities, any impurities that have misconstrued your perception of love. Old and stagnant energies are instantly eradicated and replaced with the vibrant energy of life. Now from your crown chakra, breathe the white light deeper into your third eye chakra, filling it with love and light. Release all that no longer serves you and free yourself from any obstructions blocking you from light. Request the white light to grant you inner vision and allow your perspective to expand indefinitely. From here, breathe the white light further down into your throat chakra, where your truth resides. Release all things that impede the truth of who you are. As you breathe out, the white light passes through your throat chakra and releases your truth into the universe through your voice. Next, move the white light down into your heart chakra. Feel the ultimate expansion at an infinite rate as pure white light pierces and becomes every aspect of your heart. Your heart now radiates as a brilliant white sphere of light and love. Repeat after me. I am light. Now bring the healing white light down into your solar plexus chakra. Release all limitations and expectations placed upon you externally. Set the intention to live freely and openly, to trust your choices. Now breathe this pure white light down to your sacral chakra. Breathe deeply into the space, nurturing deep respect towards your inner child. Now breathe the pure healing white light down into your root chakra, grounding yourself within this reality and providing you with a strong foundation in which to operate from. Repeat after me. I am pure white light. With each breath, the brilliant white light expands more and more, surrounding your entire physical body. I am an expanding, pure essence of white light. Now breathe the white light through your emotional being, cleansing and purifying all aggravating emotions. Release all the stagnant energy that no longer serves your higher purpose. As you breathe out, let the white light come out of your heart chakra and into the universe. I am an expanding, pure essence of white light. With each breath, the healing white light expands even further. Allow yourself to invoke the healing power of the light to transform any thought, any action that may have been previously limiting into thoughts and actions of great potential. I am an expanding, pure essence of white light. Now breathe the white light even deeper into yourself and allow it to touch your spirit. Let the white light enter your higher self. Recognize your higher self who exists in the past, present, and future. As we share in the light and then become the light itself, we expand further and further. I consciously expand into my presence at this moment. I am peace. With your exhale, ask the white light to permanently radiate throughout your whole being and into the world. I surrender myself to light. I am the light. As our meditation comes to an end, allow yourself to relax. Feel the warmth, the light within your solar plexus. Place your hands on top of your solar plexus and feel the vital energy here. Move your hands to your heart now and repeat after me. I am here. I am breathing. My heart is beating. My mind is working. So in this moment, I am okay. All is well in my world. I am an expanding, pure essence of white light. Whenever you're ready, open your eyes. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a gorgeous day, and I will see you tomorrow.